Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer6. So the first question is, what is time dot delta time? So the answer would be time dot delta time is just a property that returns the floating variable floating value. It's a time like exact time in milliseconds between sorry, not in milliseconds but time in seconds between two frames. So like the current frame and the last frame, what is the time difference between these two frames? That is time dot delta time. And like we mostly use it to make a code like the movement and stuff frame independent. So for example, let's say uh, let's say the movement speed is 10 and one PC has a 60 fps and the second PC has a 30 fps. So when I multiply the speed with the time dot delta time with each frame, so what it will do essentially is make that 10 the speed is 10, right? So it will make it 10 meter per second. So my the object that has an 60 fps will move 10 divided by 60, sorry, not 60 but the value of time dot delta time, that would be 1 divided by 60. So yes, it would be 10 divided by 60. So that much the moment, like 1 by 6 meter would move each frame. And in the 30 fps PC, it would be like 10 divided by 30. So like one and a half, yes, sorry, 1 by 3, not one and a half, 1 by 3. It will move 1 by 3 meters in each frame. So like at the end of 1 second, the 30 fps one would have moved 10 meters, yes, 10 units or 10 meters, and in the 60 fps it would have moved 10 meters as well. But the movement happened in the 60 fps would be like it would move twice. It will get more micro moments. It will move slowly, like the less distance in 60 fps, and in 30 fps it would move greater distance to cover those 10 meters. But the both would cover 10 meters in 1 second. Then the second is, what exactly simulated bool do on a rigid body component? What this bool do is like it enables or disables the simulation on a rigid body. So calculations of simulation, for example, will that body will be affected by the force, or if some other like gravity, or if some other objects collides with it, will it be affected by it or not? So there are many situations where we want to use a dynamic rigid body, but we do not want it to get affected by other forces, or or by gravity and stuff. So on that time, what we can do is like add rigid body, dynamic rigid body, and we can say, okay, the simulation of this rigid body is false. So we uncheck the box, and that will do the trick. I think that is it. Thank you.